In this video, I'm going to show you how to look at the top YouTubers in any country. We're going to look at how much money they make and a bunch of other stuff. So if you go to SocialBlade.com, they've got all sorts of stats for your account on YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, Dailymotion, Mixer, and Facebook. They've got all sorts of analytics they've pulled into in all these different categories. So we're just going to go see the top 50 YouTubers real quick because that's one of the most popular platforms that people actually reference. So right here we have top YouTuber right here, T-Series right now, sadly. Should be PewDiePie, but whatever. 13,000 uploads. Wow. Subs 83 million and video views. That's a lot. Anyhow, so you can go down here, you can select a country, and you can see, like right now, we'll go see like the top Australian YouTubers. I don't know who that is, but of course it's toy channels, right? We got toy channels down to one gaming channel, and then some more stuff down here. Aussie Man Reviews is an Australian one. Anyhow, you can go look, and just the US, right? So I don't even know who this guy is, Alex Rose or whatever. But anyhow, we'll go see like what one of these people makes, right? So Alex Rose, he has 38 uploads, 1.6 million subs. Let's just go look and see like what this guy makes. Kind of cool. Okay, so right, so it has all these stats here for his like subscribers, like every day, like how many he got, how many video views he got. He's doing like 1 million or 2 million video views every single day. And then his estimated earnings over here, you can see this dude is making somewhere from 400 bucks to 6,000 bucks. It's a pretty wide spectrum, so you can't figure out exactly how much he's made. But in the last 30 days, he's made anywhere from 10K to 160K, which is a lot of money. Just kind of interesting. You can also see like how many. You see how much he's estimated making a year, so he's clearing 6 figures, getting into 7 figures easy. You can see his future projections, right? You can see when he's going to gain, like in 2 years, he's supposed to have like 12 million subscribers. It's a lot of subscribers. Anyhow, we can go back to the top list here, right? We can look at like the worst 500 YouTubers in 30 days. It's kind of interesting because so right here, this channel right here has lost 482,000 subs. Oh my gosh. Top Music, Travis. I don't know who any of these people are. Oh, Taylor Swift apparently lost 70,000 subscribers. Justin Bieber lost 75. But I think that's because YouTube did some sort of purge on subscribers and like fake subscribers. So I'm actually not surprised that that stuff happened, to be honest. Is all these Vivo channels that have lost subscribers. I'm 100% sure that Vivo was probably buying some fake subscribers for all of their stuff. So we can go here and we can see top 500 YouTubers for the past 3 days, which is actually kind of interesting to see who's the most popular, you know, in a more recent range, right? And we can see PewDiePie's over here, 7th, right? For the past 3 days, right? And you can just go down and look at some of these channels, and it's interesting to see how little you know of any of these channels. Some of these maybe you do, maybe you don't. Some people do, right? A lot of these are like not US channels, or they're toy channels. It's mostly YouTube's traffic these days. To be honest, like the vast bulk of it is under 18 or outside of the US, UK, or Australia. And that's just how it is now. There's so many Indian channels. We got a Russian channel here. Lots of India, Bang 10 TV. I guarantee you that's something to do with Bangladesh or something Indian. Hindi, Vivo India, Toy Kids Espanol. So it's a Spanish-speaking kids channel. Anyhow, it's interesting to see that, you know, overall YouTube, what's popular, what's really going on is, you know, less and less English speaking. You may not see that because, you know, YouTube doesn't share that stuff you just share that content with you because it's not in your like given language. Like if you put that you're a Spanish speaker, they're gonna only serve you stuff that like you can understand, right? Or that has subtitles which you can understand. Um, but yeah, let's just go look at Instagram over here, right? We can see our top list right here. Top 100 followed Instagram users. That's pretty cool. So The Rock, wow, The Rock has the most. Leo Messi, Jennifer Lopez, Nike, Ellen, Gucci, Lele Pons. You know, all these people. It just kind of shows, right? And then how many people they're following too, right? You know, it's a lot of these people. You can also see their post count too, like who has the most post count. Like National Geographic, you got to almost 20,000 posts, right? So they're just pumping out the numbers, right? It also kind of gives you a frame of reference for how many posts you need to be at before you could actually be one of these people, right? Because none of them have like under 1,000 posts almost, right? Very few people do. Amber Rose, right? Millie Bobby Brown has under 1,000. TikTok only has 126. That's actually surprising. But they're 89th, right? So still a massive account. But anyhow, they're probably just running ads. It's probably how they're actually getting there. But anyhow, that's a little bit about how to use SocialBlade.com. Just go to SocialBlade.com and you can see all of these top lists, all of this data for all of these different sites: YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Dailymotion, and Mixer. You can see real-time counts. You can see all sorts of interesting stuff with this site. It's a go-to for me just to check and see where I'm at with my account and just what is going on, you know, what my future projections are. This is not me, anyhow. Sometimes it'll just take you like right to that person. I really do need to just learn how to get this to not do that. I think you just put search. But anyways, that's how you use SocialBlade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and have a good